Hello, and welcome to Go English Tutorials Spooky Story Series. This is part 2 of Tiffany the Terrified, and it's called Tiffany and the Raging River. After floating down from space, Tiffany landed in a raging river. Thankfully, she let go of the weights when the cold water woke her up. It's freezing! Oliver was nowhere to be seen as she drifted swiftly downstream. Oliver, meanwhile, was very confused. Whoo! Where on earth has she gone? Woo-hoo! Thankfully, Steve, the space bat, had seen where she drifted down to. So, back up in space, I had to attach 2 weights on Tiffany's hands, but unfortunately, she dropped down and landed in a raging river. Oliver was still confused. In fact, he was more confused than ever. Who? What the? Who? Where? Steve and Oliver quickly flew off to find her. Meanwhile, Tiffany had caught hold of a boulder. Help me! I'm tired and terribly terrified. The river was moving too fast. Suddenly, Tiffany the Terrified heard her friends' voices in the distance. Hoo-hoo! Tiffany, remember hoo-hoo and what you are. You've got this. Right, I'm Tiffany the Terrified, a ghost, so I can just float up. And float up is exactly what she did. The end. Thank you for watching To Go English Tutorials Spooky Story Series. Don't forget to subscribe and have a happy Halloween.